Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? I have a car of Cherry International. In this car, as you can see in the cluster meter, the parking brake is engaged. It's not releasing from the button. I press the brake, I am pushing the button, but the parking brake is not releasing. When I put the drive mode, now it's in drive mode. When I push, it will not moving the car. So in this car, what is the problem? I will show you in the scan tool. This is the scan tool. What's the problem? As you can see, this is the code C180601. EPB, electronic parking brake button line is failure. So I already replaced the button, but still the problem is same. As you can see, this is the button I already replaced, but the problem is still same. So in this video I will tell you where is the problem and how to diagnose this issue. So guys, now I bring the diagram. As you can see, this is the light adjust button as the same one. The hand brake is not working. There is now 1 2 3 4 and this 5 wires are going to the ESP system. So we remove this grip. We will see the same color wire. So we start from which number? There is written the number 1 2 3 4 and 6. So we start from here. This one is the 1, the black color is the 1. This second 2 3 4 and the 6 number is this one downside. So I will test this wiring from here to the ESP system, ABS unit. I will test and I will show you what is the problem. So guys, this is the diagram as I show you before. So this 5 wire I am testing. This 5 wire, it's coming from inside button to the ESP ECU. So I remove this grip. As you can see, there is a 5 wire. You can see here easily. This is black 1, this is green and white 2, and this is 3, and this yellow is 4, and this is a 5 wire. So I am testing with the help of multimeter. I will check with the continuity. As you can see here inside. So we put in the number 1 black color. We will test with the multimeter. So as you can see, I test all the wiring. This is the last wire. With the continuity, it's working. Only one wire is there is an issue of the one wire. I will show you here. This is the black color wire. From diagram, when we see this is the number 1 wire. It's coming from inside, and outside grip we have 31 number. So I will, as you can see in the video, there is a 30. This is the 30 and this is the 31. So guys, this is the black wire. As you can see, this is the black wire. From front side the number is 31. Remove hand. This is the 30 and this is the 31. Fix touch with this one. This is the multimeter. I will show you from inside. This is the second probe of the multimeter. I will check from here. From here it's number 1. I put from here and other guy put from other side, but still there is nothing. So what is the problem? This black wire, maybe there is any miss from inside of the wiring. We will test and then I will show you. Guys, I check with the diagram. There is, as you can see, this wire, black wire coming from inside, and in the mid there is some junctions. There is one connector. I remove this connector. I will show you. This is the connector where that wire is coming, and this is other connector. So this is the black wire, as you can see here. I will zoom the camera. This is black wire. This one, it's coming here in this junction. So I will test from here to here, it's good, and when I test from other junction to outside, it's good. So what is the problem? The problem is here loose connection in this connector. We will fix this connector. After that we will test our problem is solved or not. Guys, now I fix the connector, the wire I will fix from here. So now I put this multimeter probe, one probe here in this one, and I will show you. So now you can listen the beep from here. It's now the wire is good. Remove. So I will fix all the things, then I will show you when I start the car. So now the code is removed. Now we start the car. So I will remove the parking brake. As you can see, now the parking brake is removed. I put on the parking brake. Now as you can see, the light is also working. From the cluster meter also you can see, now it's removed. Now I engage. So this is a problem. The problem is very simple, but must be watch full video and like and subscribe our channel. Now I'm going for the test drive. I will show you. Now I am on the test drive. Our problem is solved. I will also tell you about one function of the handbrake. Now all the cars, the latest cars, they have the option, this one. Now I am parking the car here. When I park the car, now in the park position, the handbrake is automatically engaged. Now I put the seat belt. So now I put on the drive mode, automatically release. So our problem is solved. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel.